All right, gentlemen, we've got a proper emergency on our hands today. There are 12 classic British cars got into a crush, and it's your mission to identify each one within 10 seconds to help drivers to recover it. Get it right, and we'll save these motoring treasures. Let's begin. Round 1. All right, now guess the right logo to recover the car. Jaguar, Hillman, Gilburn, Hudson. It's the Hillman Imp, Britain's answer to the question, what if we made a Mini but worse? Round 2. Can you name this national embarrassment before time runs out? Austin, Berkeley, Alvis, Westfield. It's the Austin Allegro. The car's so bad, it made the Morris Marina look exciting. Round 3. Can you name this mechanical misfit before it crumbles into a pile of regret? Triumph, Riley, Leland, Saab. It's the Leland P76, 1973. The P76's boot was so massive, Australian owners used it to transport entire sheep, unofficially of course. Round 4. All right, now guess it. Fairthorpe, Faisal Vega, Studebaker, Rolls-Royce. It's the Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow. The Silver Shadow was the first Rolls with Monaco construction, which meant when it rusted, and oh, it did. Owners needed a bishop's ransom to fix it. The factory advised gentle driving, because potholes could literally crack the chassis. Round 5. Can you name this classic while it's still running? Buick, Daimler, AC, Jensen. It's the Daimler Conquest, Jaguar's posh cousin who tried too hard. The Conquest's wire wheels cost more to maintain than the rest of the car. Round 6. Okay, can you recognize it? Gordon Keeble, Oldsmobile, Lotus, Vauxhall. It's the Gordon Keeble GK1. Only 100 were made because that's how many fools trusted Lucas wiring in a 300 horsepower car. Round 7. All right, let's help another man to recover his car. Tatra, Bond, Talbot, Triumph. It is the Triumph 2500S. The S stood for sometimes starts. Gentlemen, as we age, keeping our minds sharp becomes just as important as taking care of our bodies. Studies show that engaging in memory-based activities, especially those tied to personal experiences, can help maintain cognitive function and may even serve as a preventative measure against dementia and Alzheimer's. That's why I created the Classic Car Brain Club, a unique way to train your brain while reliving the golden age of automobiles. Here's how we keep your mind engaged. Reaction and quick thinking. Can you recognize a logo in just 1 second? Or guess the car from the engine sound? Focus and attention. Spot hidden cars, find the differences, and test your concentration. Memory and associations. Recall legendary models, classic movie cars, and key moments from the past. This isn't just another quiz. It's a fun and engaging way to stimulate your brain, relive your favorite memories, and stay mentally sharp. Join today for just £5.99 per month and become part of an exclusive club where your passion meets brain training. Simply click the join button in the description or scan the QR code on the screen to join our WhatsApp group. Round 8. Can you identify this one? Trident, Alpine, Alvis, MG. It's the Alpine A310. The A310's composite body was so fragile, owners reported dents from particularly loud sneezes. Alpine called it lightweight innovation. British mechanics called it the world's most expensive piñata. Round 9. Now, let's help this gentleman with his car. Plymouth, Tucker, BMW, Morris. It's the BMW 700 sedan. The 700's air-cooled engine was mounted under the rear seat, perfect for warming your trousers while slowly losing to bicycles. BMW called it innovative packaging. Owners called it the world's slowest sauna. Round 10. Now is it Panther, Standard, maybe Rover, or Riley? It is the Riley 9 Monaco, 1931. The Monaco's 1.1L twin cam was so advanced, it made Bugattis blush when it ran. Owners needed 3 tools: a spanner, a prayer book, and a second car to fetch parts. Round 11. Do you think you can guess it? Bristol, Fiat, Jensen Healey, Hudson. The correct answer is Jensen Healey, 1972. Car and driver called it plucky, which is British motoring code for terrible, but we're too polite to say. Round 12. Let's recover this British legend. Lagonda, Riley, Jaguar, Rochdale. It is the Riley Pathfinder. The Pathfinder's 2.5L Big 4 engine was so outdated, its pushrods were practically Victorian. BMC called it judicial. Mechanics called it the reason we drink before noon. Congratulations, Petrolhead. If you nailed 6+ cars, your brain is clearly wired with vintage spark plugs. A true classic car whisperer. Want more impossible challenges to train your brain in an engaging way? Join our WhatsApp Madhouse. Cheers, and may your garage be full of classics. Not just classic problems,